Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate to your department-wise um, documents in the SharePoint portal. So we will go to the application and log in with our credentials here, and on the go to our team site here. This is our team side, KSA. So we will see our department and sub departments according to the axes. You can see sub departments will show here. In the marketing we have three departments, sub departments, and we have in the service we have one sub department. By clicking on that, you can land on the pages and you can see all the documents there. And also we can go to government tenders and see our documents. It is empty. Now we can go to our home page and we can also go to our supply chain and logistic page. There is one document here, and also we can go to IT and digital department and see our documents here. So that's it for the navigation. I hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching.